Being an adult co-designer is very different than being a teacher or a researcher. As researchers, we're trying to ask questions and staying neutral to not influence the subject.
A lot of times being a teacher or being in a research project, you have very specific things that you're trying to do.
When you're in co-design, though, the thing that happens is that you actually have to become one of the child participants in some ways.
You need to be open and you need to be ready to sort of just roll with what happens.
Adults need to learn that perspective. They're not there to just sit back and relax and let the children come up with ideas.
You contribute design ideas right alongside with the kids.
Bringing on our point of view, asking for their point of view, remixing and mixing ideas, pushing back, challenging.
I had to learn how to not just be the person that's observing or asking questions, but to be the person that's sitting alongside and designing.
Practice at home. I would say get some Legos, get some paper, get some crayons, and just try and think of ideas for something silly around the house. Like maybe you want to build a time machine in your living room, or you want to build some type of spaghetti sauce shower, right? You do something silly like that and you go through those steps. You try and lose the inhibitions that you would normally have.
At every session, challenge yourself to come out of the session with a design prototype that you actually worked on. So success for you doesn't mean collecting as much notes and data and answers as possibly you can, which is basically what success looks like for a researcher. Success for you as a designer is to come out of that session with a prototype that you weren't thinking about it before the session starts. If you can make that happen, you are doing co-designing.
During co-design, I still fulfill some traditional adult roles, like managing behavior. You can't let the kids run all over the building or do things that are dangerous for them.
Or it's so loud that you can't even hear one another, and so you have to remind each other about rules.
You sometimes do have to make sure that they keep things in the constraints of the design context.
As adults, we are facilitators often in our small group work.
If the designers that you're working for are trying to build an app, then they can't build a robot.
There is some gentle refocusing to make sure that we maintain our work focused on our endeavor for that day.